Matteo from Primo Estate here, and today might be the most exciting day of the year. We've just released our new Joseph First Run olive oil. There's nothing like freshly pressed olive oil, and just the amazing smell of this oil is reminding me of back in my childhood. My father Joe, he had a winemaking contract in Italy for 6 months, and during that time my brother and I were at the local primary school. We went on one excursion in that time, and that was to the local olive oil press to try their olio nuovo, their first pressing of olives from the season. It was like a magic bright green color with the most amazing grassy and peppery smell. We ate kilos of crusty bread to go with it. And honestly, it's a flavor you never forget. And I have to say, it's the magic of that experience that we're trying to capture with the Joseph First Run. We make it with greener olives picked right at the start of harvest. We basically press that pristine fruit and then bottle it. So unlike 99% of olive oils out there, we don't give it time to settle, so it comes out as a cloudy style. And as a result, it has these absolutely incredible grassy, peppery, green fruit characters that you really don't taste anywhere else. So we make it to elevate the cooking in your kitchen. You know, use it with your roast veggies, your salads, serve it with crusty bread, with cheese, with zucca. That intensity of flavor is really going to take all of those dishes to the next level. This year it's a blend of Frantoio, Corotina, and Signore. And for us, that just delivers that amazing intensity of flavor that the First Run is really all about. We've just released the new season. It's been sold out for like 10 months. And pretty much every day of that time, we have someone writing in saying, guys, when's the First Run coming back? So if you love fresh produce, you've got to taste it. Get in quick to try the 2025 First Run. Cheers.